So guys, this is the Trends app. It's just looking like an Instagram account. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually copy your profile link on Trends app. You get, so if you've already created an account, of which I made a video about that on my previous video, I will still tag the link on my description so that you can go over there. If you've not created an account before, you can be able to create an account for yourself. So right here we have so many options, so many icons down here. You can actually follow from this home page. This is the home page. Let's refresh it. It's actually refreshing the page. You can actually use this home page. This is just exactly looking like Twitter. So let's say this is your home page now. Sorry, let's go with this first. So let's say this is your profile on your Trends app. So this is where they wrote share profile. You saw edit profile and share profile. Once you click on share profile, your link will automatically generate. This is my link, www.trends.net/@justbase_. Then once you copy it, that's just that for how to copy your thing. Or you can still come to the home page. I'm still trying to check. Or you can still go over to this setting here, account, go over to account, then go over to personal information. Okay, that's going to take you to another place, which is, but this is basically the place you can actually copy your profile link and then paste it to your friends, telling them to add you up and all that. So that's all for now, guys, and on my next tutorial, see you.